Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is September the 27th, about 12:30. Temperatures in the 80s, which is good. This here is a hive number 530 that was a swarm that we caught as a swarm back in July. It was one of my queens, and they had a problem there for a while, and then they picked up and they started laying eggs and got in a bigger box, and they're doing pretty good now. But let's see what we got. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. You might see my bee dog, my guard dog, walking around. He is 6 months old now. This is their feeder that I feed them with. Got pine straw in it to keep them from drowning. And got indentations in here so they don't get squished. They'll calm down just a little bit. See if I can't find something. I don't go into them too often, so they are a little raw when I first got them in here. And we put on my sting stuff, keep me from getting stung too much. Okay. Let's see how they're going to be. Okay. They just got excited when I opened it up is all. Nothing big. Take this first one out. Like my J-hook. Okay, that one there has nectar. Nectar down here, pollen. Bees doing bee stuff. See no bugs. And we have the same thing on this side, except that one right there who has pollen on her legs. Okay. Take it and send it over here by the hive. This is out here kind of by itself. The closest hive is probably 30 foot away. That one has eggs and brood on it. Okay, same thing on both sides. We have a little nectar down here. A little nectar up here, 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 and here. And then a little pollen right here. This is all brood, capped brood. And we have eggs and larvae in the places where she hasn't been. So I would say she probably needs a bigger box. If they start getting too tight, just take and scrape this stuff off. Some people say, I don't scrape it off until the end of the year. Well, the beginning of the year starts in August for bees. Bottom's clean. beetle thing off. It has 3 beetles in it, dead. Dead bee on top. This one here has nectar, brood, capped brood, capped bee cells. This side over here has the same thing. This is all capped brood, eggs in here, nectar up here, beetle over here. Dead beetle. This time of the year around here, it's kind of hard to get new queens because there's no drones, or very few drones. They say there's supposed to be at least 20% drones in a hive. Well, you notice we haven't got them. Okay. It's about built out. This is capped brood, uncapped brood, eggs, all that stuff on both sides. Haven't seen a queen, saw eggs, not looking for a queen. If I see her, okay. If I don't, okay. This one has honey, stores, nectar, pollen. This size here, same thing. We have honey in here, nectar, pollen, and stuff. So we will be giving them a bigger box. Oh, we didn't see the queen. Wasn't looking for the queen. Hey, puppy. And we're going to put it all back together here. And within the next few days, we'll give them a bigger box. But you notice they calmed down since that first shot that they had. You're probably going to put them in an 8-frame box. Put your beetle doodity here back in. I didn't see any beetles much. Saw a couple. What you doing, dog? And a little help with stores wouldn't hurt. So, we're going to put them some more feed in here. This is about 1.5 to 1. Actually, it's about 1 to 1. This one is. Sugar water. Put them some pine straw in so they can float and won't drown. They have a little pollen, but I don't think it's enough. This is bulk bee pollen from Man Lake, the only place I buy my stuff from. When they give you a price, they don't change it midway. And my dog likes pollen patty. Don't you, pup? But if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment if you've got one. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Mostly what I'm doing right. But anyway, that's that. And we'll put the name back here and the date, and we'll be done. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, hive number 530. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.